Don't download Joy Investment app before watching this. Before you hit download on the Joy Investment app, you need to know the truth. Many users assume it's a fully featured investing platform, but most people get this wrong. The app has hidden limitations that could affect your financial plans. Joy Investment markets itself as a simple and user-friendly app for investing in stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments. It promises easy access and quick setup, which is appealing for beginners, but simplicity comes at a cost. First, the app offers a limited range of investment options. While it's fine for basic stock purchases, it doesn't provide access to more advanced instruments like bonds, mutual funds, or international markets. This could limit diversification and long-term growth potential. Second, there's a fee structure many people overlook. On top of management fees, there may be trading or withdrawal fees that aren't immediately obvious. Over time, these costs can eat into returns, especially if you're investing small amounts frequently. Another drawback is account management tools. Joy Investment provides basic portfolio tracking, but it lacks advanced analytics, tax reporting, and risk assessment features that serious investors rely on. Without these tools, it's harder to optimize your portfolio for growth or minimize taxes. That said, the app has some positives. The user interface is clean, it's easy to set up recurring investments, and it introduces beginners to basic investing concepts. For someone just starting out, it's a convenient way to get your feet wet. In conclusion, don't download Joy Investment app if you're expecting a fully featured investment platform or sophisticated portfolio management. It's best for beginners who want to start small and learn the basics of investing, not for investors seeking comprehensive tools or wide market access. Knowing these limitations beforehand will save you frustration and help you choose the right platform for your goals.